On the question of the audit of past systems that you read out part of the written answer, it isn't everybody's view that should for sure be published. But I want to just ask about the relationship between the NAO and you, because if you're going to show that to the NAO, we and the public need confidence that it will therefore be scrutinised properly and appropriately put into the public domain. So I wanted to ask, firstly, whether how much of it you share with the NAO, how much detail, and also the NAO, what you then do with it.
In my view, it's pretty common to show all your workings to your external auditor if they ask for it. That's what they're there for. It doesn't follow, as night follows day, that if the external auditor knows it must be in the public domain. So the answer to your question is the complete audit report on mandatory work activity, which is the one we've completed, is already with Amias. He's been talked through it. He can ask me many questions. Like I'm pausing only on whether, having shown him, it must now be put in the public domain. That was the earlier conversation.
Should I answer? I mean, so far we've had 3 reports from the department. We've had the first one on mandatory work activity. We've received that one, and yesterday evening we received the other 2 of the 3 that they've completed. And they are the complete, I can confirm they are the complete audit reports, plus 1 report about the actual fraud investigation into mandatory work activity. Now, normally, obviously, those reports aren't published. What we would do for the committee, if the committee wanted one, would be to do a memorandum that would summarise the key points so that the committee could...
Okay, well, I think some of us would rather have it published. Can I